this trip, this vlog is just going to be time lapses, drone shots, and creatures that we see. So the question was, why do I want a Jeep?
Yes.
This is kind of a test run for us because
buying a Jeep?
Well, Jeep Wrangler electric is coming out at some point, endorsed by the great Harrison Ford. So I figured this would be a fun test drive.
Oh goodness.
On Maui. We're in Maui, by the way.
Another Hawaii vlog.
This time we're on Maui.
Yeah, first time.
First time on Maui. We're here for 4 days.
Yeah, this is a longer trip for us.
Longer trip, staying at the Westin, which is owned and operated by the Marriott. Fun fact, if you have, what is it?
An Amex Platinum.
And you book, you get all these cool benefits like
if you book through Amex Travel.
Yeah. So do that if you have it. We just got in. I think we're gonna go and get, what is it, a complimentary drink?
Mai Tai?
And then go sit on the beach and do time lapses. Here's the room tour.
It's messy.
This is the room. Wow. I mean, it's actually honestly quite a nice room. It's got a little kitchenette type
We're
thing.
in the Hoku Pa Tower.
The Hoku Pa Tower. And then bathroom. It's got a nice shower. Mirror. Robe. Oh, they're robes.
Duh.
That's how you know it's a good place. Oh, and they're soft. And toilet. And the doorway. One downfall about this elevator is there are no mirrors. Pretty bad, huh?
Yeah, we don't get our mirror coffee.
We're looking for the ABC store. So the ABC store is Lauren's favorite store of all time. These are actually decent prices, especially for Hawaii.
It makes sense.
It makes sense because we're closer to Japan. The hell is tuna jerky? You happy with your shopping?
I think so. It was the first of probably many trips.
And there is Shirley Temple.
I'm doing makeup.
It's day 2 for us. There's Lauren in the background. She's doing makeup. We are going to... Where are we going?
Gonna just drive up the north shore, north part of the island.
North Shore, north part of the island. Hopefully get some droning in, time lapse. Just nice chill day. And Lauren driving.
And do you know where we're even going?
Mount.
Something.
Thank God we have lower thirds.
Well, no, because I'm surprising you too.
Say what?
I'm surprising you too.
Oh, I'm being surprised. So we're going somewhere. And
Where you can fly a drone.
And I'm going to cut immediately to my surprise face. Lauren's enjoying the manual lock of the car.
You wanted a Jeep. You getting anything?
Yeah. All right, it's saying to come home now. Hold on. It's got a warning. I need to bring it back.
Okay. Yeah.
Damn.
Oh, fuck.
That's all I was worried about. What's that? Oh, I didn't break anything. Lauren is attempting to remove the top so that we can look cool on the way back.
Wasn't that the whole reason we got a Jeep?
To look cool?
Well, I don't know. Why did you want the Jeep?
We ran into a slight problem where we got everything down, but the car doesn't have the straps needed to strap these down. So we're going to use USB cables to hold this so it doesn't fly up. They say USB-C is only good for one thing. Nice and secure there. Okay. This is drone attempt number dos.
Another safe and happy landing.
Of course, as the wind's gusting.
Yeah, but right in front of the camera.
That's true. The ND's all fucked up, but still works. Just drop the camera.
Well, no.
Because this fucking thing broke. Piece of shit. Didn't do a whole lot today, but we are ending the day by doing something very unique. Well, it's not unique. Well, it's unique to the state.
Yeah, a luau.
A luau. I've never done one. You've never done one.
Oh, I've done one, but it was like 15 years ago. So
basically a billion years ago.
yeah, we're gonna try something new.
Yeah. So basically, it's I think like 200 a person, all you can eat, all you can drink. So we'll record it with the DJI Osmo 3, and then we'll let you know our thoughts. And we'll be brutally honest, because I personally think for the price,
I know.
we'll see. It also comes with a show, a fire dance show, so we'll also rate that too.
Yeah,
We'll just be judgy.
that's what we do.
Ooh, they're knickknacks.
Super juicy, super. Please be safe out there.
It's golden hour. We're trying to find a new spot to do a quick drone time lapse on our last night here. We were going to launch it from the beach at the Westin, but a lot of people, a lot of wind, so we figured find a more isolated space to be safe. And anyway, views are pretty sick. Lauren's the view, by the way.
Aww.
Get it?
I'm sick.
You're sick. Golden hour is truly magnificent.
Yeah.
The space that we were originally thinking of going was about, what, 30 something miles away from us.
Mm-hmm.
Sunset is at 7:05, 7:03. It's 6:35. So
Maybe 10 minutes late.
yeah, so we're gonna find somewhere just off the road. Alright, so the wind's probably terrible, so you can barely hear anything, but we found this little beach area. It's pretty basic. And we're gonna launch our little droney and get our time lapse. I'm gonna fly it way out over there. I don't know why I'm talking, you can't hear shit. In case you know we lose the drone.
Yeah, the sun's gone.
The sun's gone. Well, kinda. Still there. So one thing, again, I always forget, it's how dark this island is. So Lauren here decided for our last night, we're gonna go and do a night market, which is right over there. So we're gonna go check that out. It's just a bunch of food trucks.
Yeah.
And some vendors. That's cool. Oh, fish and chips and fish tacos. There you go. It might be fish tacos. What are you feeling?
I do forget how expensive food trucks have gotten.
Well, that's prime rib. Like.
Well, no, but like, I guess I'm thinking of like the old school like roach coaches, you know?
Yeah.
Like,
You want to do sushi?
do you want, you want to do a little bit of a smorgasbord?
Yes. So this was sushi. Just 2 pieces and a Sprite with tip $14. Going for the hot dog as well.
Hey, are y'all still open?
Yes.
Oh, amazing. Can I just do the hot dog, no jalapeno?
Okay.
Can we get enough food?
Yes.
Those 2 tacos, and this is the hot dog. Oh wow, that's very loaded taco. Right, try the
Hot
taco.
dog.
Hot dog. Better than the $9 resort hot dog.
I've never had pico on a hot dog.
There's like multiple hot dogs in there too. Oops. Okay. Sushi from a truck in Hawaii. Oh. Too much rice, very sticky. The rice is like wet, but
No.
nope. Well, so that was the little night market area that Lauren found. Really good food. Don't do sushi from a truck.
Well, because you've had so much like tuna too here, I think.
Maybe. I mean, sure.
Remember in Japan when you were like sushi'd up by the end?
Yeah, it was gagging.
Yeah.
It's funny. In total, we spent close to $70 for everything, which
Is what you're gonna pay, yeah.
Hawaii prices and then food truck. But, you know, it's all local businesses. So it's right by the Hilton
Vacation Club.
Vacation Club. So if you stay there,
We'll
then
also put the actual name here. Reminder to do that.
lower thirds.
Are you gonna actually do it?
Yeah, you can always do it.
Mm-hmm.
Always. Thank you for watching our vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. And now I'm just gonna blast us backwards a bit.
Okay, goodbye.
And we go. Bye. Just take off like a rocket ship. There's a car behind us. This was fun. There you go. That's pretty good.